Hi, I'm going to show you how to make these face scrubbers. In the video, I used medium worsted yarn, but if you're going to use them for your face, then I recommend that you use cotton yarn. I used an eye hook. If you like to make them bigger, you can use a larger hook. Okay, and the written pattern is listed down below in the description. So let's get started. You're going to slip knot onto your hook and chain 5. And then you're going to slip stitch in the beginning chain to create a ring. You're going to draw up your loop and then yarn over, insert your hook into the ring and draw up your loop, yarn over, insert your hook, draw up the loop, yarn over, and pull through all loops and chain 1. And then repeat, insert your hook, yarn over, insert your hook, draw up your loop, yarn over, insert your hook into the ring, draw up your loop. This is for 3 times total, so yarn over, grab the yarn and draw up your loop, then yarn over and pull through all loops on the hook and chain 1. Then you're going to repeat, yarn over and pull through and chain 1. And you'll repeat until you have 8 all together. Insert your hook in the beginning stitch. Insert your hook into the chain space. Draw up your loop, yarn over, insert your hook, grab the yarn, draw up your loop, yarn over, draw up the loop. Then you're going to yarn over, pull through, and draw up your loop, yarn over, and pull through all loops on the hook. Chain 1, yarn over, insert your hook, draw up your loop, yarn over, insert your hook, and draw up the loop, yarn over, insert your hook, draw up the loop for 3 times. And then yarn over and pull through and chain 1. You're going to repeat that for each space, chain 1 space, 2 puff stitches. So you'll have a total of 16 altogether. Okay, the last round you're going to slip stitch in that beginning stitch. And now you're going to do a trim all the way around. chain 1, and each chain space work 3 single crochet, and you'll repeat this around until you get to the beginning. Okay, now you're going to slip stitch after you do your 3 single crochet. You'll slip stitch in the beginning of the chain 1 and then fasten off and weave in your ends. Okay, this pattern is complete. It's listed down below. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.